Hi students and teachers, we are back with CBSE updates. You all know that parents have filed a plea in the Supreme Court that these remaining CBSE board papers must be scrapped. Today on Wednesday, the Supreme Court has actually asked CBSE to consider scrapping of remaining exams, and also they have also instructed CBSE they can give these marks based on practicals and internal assessment. तो कहने की बात है कि of course the situation is very tense right now in India as the cases are rising, more than 10,000 cases every day. So just 13 days left to the exams. So parents are concerned that उनके बच्चे जब एग्जाम देने जाएंगे तो they might be affected by COVID-19 and precautions might not be taken. In the case of kids, they take it very easy and casual. So Supreme Court ने हिदायत दी है CBSE को, जैसे उन्होंने 250 schools abroad उन्होंने already वहाँ के exams cancel कर दिए हैं, वैसे ही उन्हें remaining board के exams को cancel करने का निर्देश दिया गया है. This plea was filed by some parents of students who are appearing in class 12th examination. It sought the direction to the CBSE to declare the results on the basis of exam already conducted. और एक और बात है जिससे CBSE को हेल्प हो सकती है, जो इंटरनल असेसमेंट रही हैं स्कूल्स की उसके बेस पे भी एग्जाम दिए जाते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ऑन द प्रैक्टिकल्स इन देयर प्रैक्टिकल्स कैन ऑल्सो बी द क्राइटेरिया टू गिव देम proportionate marks regarding. So 90% chances students that exams will be cancelled and will be scored. The score will be given according to the internal assessments or at proportion to the exams already, the marks already gained in other subjects. So that is the news which we would like to tell you. And for other things, for all the study material and everything, you can go to our app, download our app for free videos and study material. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and get associated with EcoVisioner, everyone. You will be getting all these benefits free of cost. For any other query, you can contact us on ecovisioner@gmail.com or call us at 9891 203546. First of all, I would like to remind you again, download EcoVisioner app for free subject videos and study material. Thank you. Take care.